abahangwa aba bahire kushaba kwabo aha mukoro gwo kutongoza umureko gw'embazi eyekiraguju ahari Igongo Culture Center muri Mbarasiri. Omukoro ogu guhikirwa abantu bingi ababire barimo abahangu ombi amagara abarukora embazi yekiraguju n'abebembezi kurwo mbicweka bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Bwire kushikire batandike kukozesibwa nana omumarwari ahubwo bashagire embazi y'onekora kurungi kandi ya especially keje bishaka kugira ngo tugire kimwe kuko mukimpuku kikaye kiri kirungi bagite omumarwari bakakozesibwa kurungi especially mwenu ahiba ko bagikozesa nano mutware bwawe kuko bagikozesa kugira ngo ubwoko mu byaro ushange doze tabayo na nebyo ikindi hatuko ko mwirwariro yakozeswa kandi yaba itirwe aharisti zigezi embazi yihanga etaharist ngo baba kitestingire.
Medicine has a way it embraces you, your cultural entity, your spirituality and your ancestral knowledge. All that is covered within traditional medicine. That's why to me traditional medicine is used not only by people who can't afford, but by all people who have lost hope. Traditional medicine can raise hope of individuals.
Ebi bibireho nyuma bazyo kandi bigwireho n'umwanya ogurabe no gushomesezwa mu abantu by'embazi yekiraguju kandi Dr. James Tumusime mukama w'Igongo Culture Center ashoborira habwenchi batireho umwanya ogu no kutaho umworeko gw'embazi yekiraguju.
So that the young people can take advantage of it. Traditional medicine are suffering because it's under stress. The environment is being degraded, plants are being cut left and center, biodiversity is disappearing. So it is our duty to make sure that we keep emphasizing this.
No kutangara no kushoberwa munonga kushanga embazi tekwikirizwa ishobora rumwe kushanga ngo kwimigwaro none rwo riya kureka twahita cyo clinics situ twagira imanda yito n'imigeme yito twakorera kuko amarwaro ga government kona kwikirizwa gukora ninga kuravura abantu taribari bakwikiza embazi so ni nyina government relation geje kandi nimbi yakite mu uko kini Uganda kabanya Uganda ni science yitu tuni technology yitu tunobango bwitu shimikwa ntukorea embazi yitu ekazumu marwaro gitu kona.
Daniel Yafesi Chabayize, Director wa Public Health Ministry y'ebyamagara n'wabirombye nyumukuru ha mukorogu kandi habwira abanya-Uganda okufaha amagara gabo.
Poor health is one of the things hindering our development as a nation.
Tetwagala kukola kwogera bwogezi ku ddagala lyaffe ekinansi netukomaawo kubanga tulina okulyogerako ate netwogera ne kukozesa naye likozeseddwa litya ojja kwesanga nti ebirudde ekisinga obungi ekozesa y'eddagala lino ekozesebwa mu kwekweka abantu balikozesa mu manju wa nnyumba balikozesa mu kweka tebaagala kwogera ne bwe babeera nga buli eddagala alikozesa muwabeera mu bantu ayagala kukyogera.
Tugerezeho munonga kandi tuyambire munonga abantu konkoza kureboreba omuntu nayemerera kugira turi ombazi n'ugutamba na munonga nkawo aherefi ningo omuntu orukora mu government aho ikiriza n'ugutamba konkata kayikiriza ngubase kuba open omu marwaro ninga omu health center ningo mu specialists.
Kuchondoza kwa World Health Organization nukuwereka ngo abantu 9 hariga no mahanga mingi omunsiona n'abakoresa embazi yekiraguju gasha kwa Abdkarim Sengendo.